the top. Add a little bit of cheese to these beans. Well, hello. We are on the new farm now. We got a new rig. I got a 30-foot truck. We had 13 head of cattle, all heifers. They just got loaded up and taken away yesterday.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
We have more garden coming, other livestock like we had in Georgia, but we're just now getting started. I just finished building this house. So we're happy. Starting the food truck videos again. Today, we are going to work on a fresh pico de gallo for my Tennessee tacos. So we're gonna run over here to our one raised bed we have so far and get some of our fresh produce. It's a rainy day here on the farm. We've got a variety of nice peppers. Here we got some heirloom. Kim, what varieties do we have? We got some heirlooms. Look at this Whopper first.
It actually is a Parks Whopper.
Big as my fist. That's a good looking mater.
We have some Early Girl and a few Better Boy.
That's why are we getting all these now?
If we don't get them now, they might absorb way too much rain and they'll be at risk for cracking and bursting open.
Run over here and grab a pepper or two.
This guy.
Keep the pico too spicy.
That might be a chore. Look at these. Woo!
Yeah, just 2 big peppers. 3. Good. We are also going to get some green onions. Kim had started. We use these to top the hot chicken and the shrimp and grits.
Today we're not getting the roots at all. I'm cutting the green that we need and I'm leaving the root intact so it'll continue to produce for us. These will probably continue through January. Ooh, smell good.
What we don't pick up, we try to buy locally as well. So we're gonna run right down the road. There's a wonderful market, the family market, right off 68 in Decatur, right down the road from us, half a mile. Great people. We're gonna go check them out and get the rest of the stuff we need from them today. They support all the local farmers. We're picking up our cabbage for our coleslaw today.
From Dayton, which is very near us, and carrots.
We're getting some peppers and onion that we do not grow.
Local peaches.
They also have local milk from Sunrise Dairy. And they also have Sweetwater Valley Farm where we get our cheese from, local cheese place. So if you're ever up this way, check out the family market right off 68. New truck.
New truck.
Let me turn the lights on. Awesome, huh? We are super excited about this. Let's make some pico. I'm doing a peach pico. I think it goes well with the pork. I've got our fresh tomatoes, peach, jalapeno, onion. I did get 1 red bell, some cilantro left, and garlic. Real nice. Beautiful. Next up, onion. I'm gonna do a small dice on this. Right, sides off, in half, peel. You want this little like shape, half moon, we'll go with that. Looking at you, right? And then you make your slices coming down. Don't cut all the way through to the end because you want to leave it intact, right? On the side. When it's a large onion like this, you want to do 2 cuts for a small dice. One through the top, one through the middle. Again, not cutting all the way to the end, right? So it all stays together. I can still pick that up. Then you just come straight down. And when you get to that end that was holding it all together, you just plow through that. Right?
Voila.
Small dice. It's like I'm a magician. Voila. For my next streak. Voila. Garlic. Whole ball. Smash it. Deal. We like garlic.
Yeah.
Flat side of your knife, right? Smash. Feels super easy. Done. Right?
You threw one up against the wall over there.
That means it's done, like pasta. Parsley chop. Get it started. And it goes flying towards Kim. And she says,
My
"Oh no."
eyes are burning. That looks fantastic.
Pepper. Alright. Off at the side, I kind of start at the top and just come around the side. And cut the bottom off. Oh, that's usable. Then you voila. Right?
That red pepper's gonna be really great with that peach.
Mm. Smells good. Remember to go on and like and subscribe to Gonzo Gourmet Cooking on the food truck.
Oops.
Jalapeno.
Very small dice on this.
Yeah. So somebody doesn't get a full mouth of heat. Oh, that's good looking pico. And cilantro. And I like the stems. I think it's got a lot of flavor in them.
And
I would
crunch.
pick them off, you know, for a presentation maybe. But when I add, I just plow right through it with the stems. You know, once I get to the real thick stuff at the end, I might stop. But I'll pick those off. But I think the stems have a lot of flavor. Back in the bowl, started with. What do you think, Kim? Should we add salt now?
I would wait till tomorrow.
I think that sounds like a good idea.
Only because of pulling all the liquid out of the veggies.
Add lime juice, some salt. Tomorrow for service. You'll see that, but delicious. That'll go on the taco. Yum. Peach pico, ready for tomorrow. What are you doing here, Kim?
I am prepping the slaw for tomorrow's tacos. Then I'll do carrots. I've added the dry seasonings for tomorrow. Cumin, coriander, little black pepper, and I am not adding salt until tomorrow with the crema, because if I add it now, it'll pull liquid out of the cabbage, and we do not want that. We want this to be kind of crispy for tomorrow. So tomorrow it will get the creme. Hi, how are you? What can we get you today from Gonzo Gourmet Food Truck?
It's the food truck experience.
Well, then you're in the right place.
All right, this is the new rig. All right. Okay, so we're gonna make the tacos. All the hype's been about, right? Tortillas, always grilled. I'll take a minute, I'll show you the pork. We're gonna put the pork on top. This is my slow cooked local pork. We actually made these beans last night too to go with it. I'm gonna add that to the plate, make the taco plate today. We made these beans from scratch in pressure cooker. Tortillas. I give a hefty portion of meat. Right? Also, I'm going to serve this on the side of our awesome beans that we made yesterday. Little taco plate. So slow cooked local pork. This is our cumin-crema coleslaw that we made. Cabbage from Dayton that we picked up at the family market. The pico we made yesterday, almost out. Look, we've had a good day. Pico on top. All right, spicy mayo. Give a little lime to go on top. And add a little bit of cheese to these beans. And we're gonna throw a little pico on top. And we have a customer, just in time.
Fantastic.
There you go, pork tacos.
That's a rainbow.
So you know more next time. It's gotta go out the window. Maybe she wants a Tennessee taco plate.